The big daddy of chat. Next-gen AI automations is reality now. Create websites, videos, voiceovers, art images, social post, ads, copies, emails, content, blogs, business plan, marketing plan, idea generator, lead generator, marketing planner, daily to-do list, scheduler, marketing assistance, and more for you and your clients in seconds, using just a keyword chance to win agents free account plus softwares worth $11,000. Register for webinar why agents is better than chat. Chat is good, but you need to keep giving input text to get output content, no automation. You need to be good at giving prompts. 90% of people still struggle with correct prompts. Agents gives multiple outputs and reuses the automation for future keyword inputs. Example: enter keywords to get a tweet post for Range Rover. Agents will create tweet post and using it to create FB, Insta, and other social post. Using previous FB posts, agents will automatically create a full blog on Range Rover. Ask agents to create a video script of 5 min using the previous steps. Ask it to make a good PowerPoint presentation, PPT, on luxury cars. Set this as your automation. And ask agents to repeat it for other topics like organic farming, football, cosmetics. Use agent for automating hundreds of other tasks and to train sales campaigns with different writing tones in seconds. 6. Get good SEO strategy plan with ready content to get massive free organic traffic from Google, Yahoo, YouTube. 7. Find the best images and videos from AI stock library. 8. Create AI logos and banners instantly. 9. Create long blog content in seconds. Create content in 33 languages, 3x more traffic. Create good prompts for any keyword to get you the best outputs. 11. Clean, color, animate, upscale, or remove the background of any image in seconds using AI Image Cleaner, AI Image Colorizer, AI Image Animer, and remove any section of images in seconds. 12. Access any current information from the internet and use it. Web access. 13. Get a lead generation strategy to get millions of free targeted leads from Google. 14. Create agents for any task in seconds. 15. Create workflow and multi-agents for multiple tasks in seconds. 16. Creates professional PowerPoint presentations, PPTs, in seconds. 17. Create a powerful marketing plan for any campaign in seconds. 18. Create a powerful business plan for any business in seconds. 19. Boost conversions and profits. 20. Add team members to collaborate on your projects. 21. Save money and time. Get every marketing task done in seconds. 22. Get higher audience engagement with enriched content. 23. Create content faster and get things done faster than ever before. 24. Commercial license. Create and sell as many assets as you like to clients. Not just that. Set the task of one agent to create something in one campaign now. Ask AI agents to create hundreds of other agents and use the output of the previous campaign as input and enjoy watching agents. Hundreds of agents creating hundreds of tasks in different scenarios. Imagine the level of multi-level automation. This is the next level of chat. It's like Iron Man's Jarvis AI agents works in just 3 easy steps. Step number 1. Create AI agent and decide step. Step number 2. Configure agent. Step number 3. Use agent to automate hundreds of other tasks and to train hundreds of agents to complete. 1. Website content creator. 2. Video script generator. 3. Social media post creator. 4. Blog post creator. 5. YouTube idea and script generator. 6. Ad copies generator. 7. Email script writer. 8. YouTube video helper. 9. E-commerce site. 10. Business starter and planner. 11. Business plan generator. 12. Marketing plan creator. 13. Legal pages generator. 14. Sales plan creator. 15. Testimonials, reviews, and critiques creator. 16. Fact generator for entire business. 17. Lead generation ideas generator. 18. Brand name hunter. 19. Ecom ads writer. 20. AI copywriter. 21. AI email marketer. 22. SaaS copy generator. 23. Presentation creator. 24. AI art prompt generator. 25. Manufacturing plan creator. 26. Personal financial planner. 27. Business financial planner. 28. Operations plan creator. 29. Business idea researcher. 30. Investor pitch deck creator. 31. HR recruiter. 32. Business idea validator. 33. To do and not to do generator 34. Disease researcher 35. AI treatment recommender 36. AI medicine finder 37. Health analyzer and recommender 38. Gym schedule planner 39. Sports schedule planner 40. Midjourney prompt creator 41. DALL-E prompt generator 42. Infographics content creator 43. Relationship advisor 44. AI legal advisor 45. Construction safety advisor 46. Real estate sale purchase advisor 47. AI consultant 48. Agent's powerful features. Feature number 1, AI content writer. Feature number 2, AI stock library. Feature number 3, AI email writer. Feature number 4, AI logos and banners. Feature number 5, AI text to image. Feature number 6, AI background remover. Feature number 7, long content. Feature number 8, AI SEO content briefs. Feature number 9, writes code. Feature number 10, AI image cleaner. Feature number 11, AI image colorizer. Feature number 12, AI image animizer. Feature number 13, Web Access. Feature number 14, Prompt Templates. Feature number 15, Background Remover. Feature number 16, Content Rewriter. Feature number 17, Longform Writer. Feature number 18, Stock Library. Feature number 19, Graphics Design Templates. Feature number 20, AI Writer. Feature number 21, Image Animizer. Feature number 22, Eraser. Feature number 23, Image Colorizer. Feature number 24, Image Upscaler. Feature number 25, Add Banners. Feature number 26, Videos. Feature number 27, Stock Media. Feature number 28, Emails. Feature number 29, Text to Image. Feature number 30, Logo Creator. Feature number 31, Print Graphics. Feature number 32, SEO Content Brief. Feature number 33, AI Writer. Feature number 34, Workflows Agents. Feature number 35, Content Sharing. Feature number 36, SEO Optimize Content. Feature number 37, Team Collaboration. 48, AI Example of how agents works. Example. Enter keywords to get a tweet post for Range Rover. Agents will create tweet post and using it to create FB, Insta, and other social post. Using previous FB posts, agents will automatically create a full blog on Range Rover. Ask agents to create a video script of 5 min using the previous steps. Ask it to make a good PowerPoint presentation, PPT, on luxury cars. Set this as your automation. And ask agents to repeat it for other topics like organic farming, football, cosmetics. Use agent for automating hundreds of other agents to create tasks like creating video scripts, YouTube tags, blog content, sales page content, comparison tables, marketing plans, ads graphics, overall business plans, post scheduling plans, and hundreds of other tasks in seconds. Not just one. Hundreds of other agents will start working in parallel, taking cue from your interaction with one AI agent.